So here we have the Jaguar XE on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. From the outside, you can see it's a four-door car with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space available in there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls, as I mentioned, from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 41,003. We have the coolant temperature gauge, the fuel gauge there as well, a digital readout for the speedometer at the top of that section. And below that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We are in park at the moment. As we back out to the steering wheel, you can see over on the right hand side we have cruise control, speed limiter as well. On the left hand side we have our stereo and phone controls. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedal, that's so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next we have the main touchscreen. So there are a few physical buttons. For example, the home button will take you back to this home screen. Otherwise it's all touchscreen, so you can access your media up here. DAB, FM and AM radio, auxiliary input. We've also got Bluetooth audio, so once you pair your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. You can access part of your climate control settings here, so you can determine the direction the air is being distributed in up here. You can also control your heated seats as well. So 3 different heat settings for both driver and passenger, as I say, all controlled up on this main screen. And then, of course, satellite navigation as well. Below that we have the dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The fan if you'd like speed, to come and see the car you for can yourself and press have this a test button drive, to open that menu please feel there, free or you to can give us go a through it on call the here menu. at The same with the Specialist heated Cars. seats We'd actually, love to so hear from 2 you physical soon. buttons to open up those menus. That's your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you, which you can hear it doing. You can override that whenever you wish to, but it's doing so to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Main volume for the stereo is here, the start and stop button for the ignition, the dial that is your gear selector in this car. We can turn off the stop and start, we can turn off the traction control, and you can change the driving setup of the car. So it's in eco, but you can put it into normal, kind of track, race mode, and also snow and ice as well. We have 2 cup holders for the car. The key simply needs to be in the vehicle with you so that you can then hit this button to start the vehicle up. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.